Hello friends, welcome to the online education. This is the lecture number 6 and subject 503 physical chemistry and analytical chemistry. Now we have learned about the some indicators like EBT, Eriochrome black tea, or second name was Solochroma black tea. EBT's second name was Solochroma black tea and Eriochrome black tea, EBT. This is the structure of the EBT. Two hydroxyl group, one sulfonic group SO3H, one NO2 group, and N double bond N is combined with the both sides of the cyclic rings. So this is the structure of the EBT. Two hydroxyl group, one sulfonic group, one NO2 group, and two hydroxyl group, and one double bond is combined with the nitrogen and four cyclic rings. So this is the structure of the EBT. Now the formula of the EBT is 20 carbon, 13 hydrogen, 7 oxygen, 3 nitrogen, and 1 sulfur molecule. So this is the general formula of the EBT is C20, H13, O7, N3S. Now in EBT, 3H plus ions are ionized. Eriochrome black tea is a tri-basic indicator. We will see in our previous lecture. So EBT, 3H plus ions are ionized. 3H plus ions are ionized. Therefore, the general formula of the EBT is H3 ion. H3 ion is the general formula of the EBT. Now, during the ionization, first H plus ions ionized from the SO3H group. First H plus ions ionized from the SO3H group. This is the tri-basic indicator. EBT, Eriochrome black tea, is a tri-basic indicator. So it contains 3H plus ions. Now, during the ionization process, the first H plus ions are removed from SO3H group. First H plus ions is ionized from SO3H group or sulfonic group, and then 2H plus ions are ionized from 2 hydroxyl groups. This is the hydroxyl groups. First H plus ions are ionized from SO3H group, and other 2H plus ions are ionized from 2 hydroxyl groups. So above ion gives a different color at different pH. So these 3 ions gives a different color at different pH. So now we have learned about the ionization process, and this is the reaction of ionization process. So general formula of the EBT is H3 ion gives to H2 ion minus. This is the first step of ionization. The pH range of the H3 ion is 2.3 to 5.3, and the solution color are black, red. H2 ion minus. This is the first step of the ionization. The pH range was 5.3 to 7.3, and the solution color was red blue color. Our second step of the ionization, H ion minus 2. So 2 H plus ions are ionized, and the solution color was blue, and the pH range was 7.3 to 10.5. And finally, third step of the ionization process, the all H plus 3H plus ions are ionized, and the pH range is above 10.5, and the solution color was red orange color. This reaction also seen in the previous lecture. So this is the reaction process of the ionization. The first pH range is 2.3 to 5.3, black red color, and first step of the ionization process, the pH was 5.3 to 7.3, red blue color. Then after pH was 7.3 to 10.5, H ion minus 2, the 2H plus ion are ionized, and the solution color was blue. And then after all H plus ions are ionized, and pH is above 10.5, and the solution color was red orange color. So this is the ionization process of the EBT. Now generally Iriochrome black tea indicator are used in the titration of the Mg+2, magnesium plus 2 ion, zinc plus 2 ion, Ca plus 2 ion, Hg plus 2 ion, Pb plus 2 ion, cadmium plus 2 ion, lead plus 2 ion, nickel plus 2 ion with the EDTA, with the ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. So generally, Iriochrome black tea indicator are used in the titration of Mg+2, Zn plus 2, Ca plus 2, Hg plus 2, lead plus 2, cadmium plus 2, nickel plus 2 with the EDTA. Now, for example, when the magnesium plus 2 ions are titrated at the pH 8 to 10, pH at 8 to 10 in the presence of the EBT, Iriochrome black tea indicator, we will use it. So, gives the following reaction. Magnesium plus 2 is reacted with the indicator Iriochrome black tea, so gives a MgIn complex plus H plus. So, when the EDTA is added in the solution having magnesium indicator complex, EDTA form more stable complex. So this is the more stable complex with the metal ion and liberate free indicator. So this is the reaction of the our magnesium indicator complex with the our indicator and gives our free liberate indicator. Mgin minus plus H2Y minus gives to Mgy minus 2 plus H2In and pH range was 8 to 10 and Hi minus 2 and H plus. This is the solution color was blue because pH was 8 to 10. So this is the general formula of the ionization process and the example of a Mg plus 2 ion. So this is the EBT, Iriochrome black tea, and this is the structure of the EBT. Now we have learned about our second indicator, chalcone or solochrome dark blue. Chalcone, and second name was that solochrome dark blue. Now we have learned about the indicator solochrome dark blue or chalcone. And this is the structure of the chalcone or solochrome dark blue. So it have contain 2 hydroxyl groups, 1 sulfonic groups and 2 nitrogen molecule with the double bond and 4 cyclic rings. Now the molecular formula of the chalcone indicator is C20, carbon 20, hydrogen 14, 5 oxygen, 2 nitrogen and 1 sulfur. So this is the general formula, this is the molecular formula of the chalcone indicator is C20, H14O5, N2S. Now in chalcone 3H plus ions can be ionized. In the same process of the Iriochrome black tea, 3H plus ions in EBT, also chalcone in 3H plus ions, so can be ionized. Therefore, 3H plus ions can be ionized. General formula of the chalcone is H3 ion, same as Iriochrome black tea. This is the general formula of the chalcone, H3 ion. During the ionization process, our first H plus is ionized from SO3H group. First H plus is ionized from SO3H group, this SO3H group, and ionized our first H plus ion from SO3H group, and then 2 H plus ions are ionized from the 2 hydroxyl groups, same as in Iriochrome black tea, and other 2 H plus ions are ionized from 2 hydroxyl groups. Above ions are gives a different color at a different pH, same as EBT. Now the general reaction of the ionization process is H3 ion gives to H2 ion minus, H ion minus and ion minus 3 is same as well as Iriochrome black tea. So this is the general reaction of the ionization process of the chalcone indicator. It contains 3H plus ions and First H plus ions are ionized from SO3H group and two other H plus ions are ionized from two hydroxyl groups and gives a different color at different pH. Now this indicator is more applicable for the determination of calcium plus 2. So this indicator is more applicable to the determination of a calcium plus 2 ion. Therefore, above indicator is used for the estimation of a Ca plus 2 in the solution. So, above indicator means Calcon indicator is used for the estimation of a Ca plus 2 from the mixture of Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2. So mixture of the Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2. So it indicators is a Calcon is used for the estimation of the Ca plus 2 from the mixture of calcium and magnesium 2. For the hard water, we will use the in the indicator Calcon is in a hard water because it is the well applicable for the determination of Ca plus 2 and estimation of the Ca plus 2. Now pH range is 12 of the Ca plus 2, it gives a red color, and pH range is 12, the magnesium is converted into the MgOH twice because it contains in the salt MgOH twice. Therefore, Ca plus 2 estimation by the standard EDTA in the presence of a Calcon indicator. In the hard water, we will use the Calcon indicator for the estimation of the Ca plus 2 and pH was 12 and solution color was red. And our Mg plus 2, it was not red but it was converted into the MgOH twice salt. So, then free Ca plus 2 estimation of standard EDTA. Now color change obtained to from red to violet, then process will be Mg plus 2 MgOH twice. The solution color was red from violet. So this is the general formula of the ionization process and this is the general structure of the Calcon or solochrome dark blue. So we have learned about the Calcon and also EBT, Iriochrome black tea. Now second time, see the structure of the Calcon, one SO3H group and two hydroxyl group and two nitrogen is combined with the double bond and four cyclic ring. So molecular formula of the Calcon is C20H14O5 and N2S. In the Calcon, same as well as EBT, it contains 3 H plus ions and its general formula is H3 ion, and the first H plus ion are ionized from the SO3H group and other two H plus ions are ionized from the two hydroxyl groups, same as well as EBT, and it gives a different color at different pH, and this is the general reaction of the ionization process of a Calcon indicator, and it is applicable for the determination of Ca plus 2 and also it will be used for the estimation of the Ca plus 2 from the mixture of Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2. pH range is 12, then Ca plus 2 gives a red color and pH is 12 exactly, Mg plus is converted into the MgOH twice magnesium hydroxide salt. Then free Ca plus 2 estimated by the EDTA, standard EDTA, and color change from red to violet. So friends, we have studied about the Iriochrome black tea and also Calcon or solochrome dark blue. Now we have studied about our last indicator, Muroxide, and this is the structure of the Muroxide indicator. See the structure of the Muroxide indicator: 4 carboxylic group, 4 carbonyl group and 4 amine group. So, and also nitrogen is combined with the double bond to carbon. In the structure, it not contain any cyclic ring. So this is the molecular formula of the Muroxide is C8H4O6N5. So 8 carbon molecule, 4 hydrogen, 6 oxygen and 5 nitrogen. So This is the structure of the Muroxide indicator. 4 amine group and sorry about that, 4 not but 5 carbonyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the structure of a Muroxide indicator, 5 carbonyl group and 4 amine group. So this is the structure of the Muroxide indicator, and the molecular formula of the Muroxide is 8 carbon molecule, 4 hydrogen, 6 oxygen and 5 nitrogen molecule. So Muroxide molecular formula of the Muroxide is C8H4O6 and 5 and is ammonium salt of perpuric acid. Muroxide indicator is a ammonium salt of the perpuric acid. So therefore they behave as a negative ion. They behave as a negative ion because this is the ammonium salt, or ammonium charge was negative. So it behaves as a negative ion, and its 4H plus ions can be ionized because they have 4 amine groups. 4 amine groups, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the structure we have see the 4 amine groups. So 4 amine groups are indicates the 4H plus ions and it behaves as a negative ion. Now the general formula of the Muroxide is H4IN. This is the general formula of the Muroxide indicator, and it different pH it is ionized and gives a different color. At the different pH it gives a different colors, and the general ionization process of reaction of a Muroxide indicator H4IN minus, this is the Muroxide indicator and it gives to the first step of the ionization process H3IN minus 2, H2IN minus 3, HIN minus 4 and finally IN minus 5. This is the general reaction of ionization process of Muroxide indicator. First of all, we will see the structure 5 carbonyl group and 4 amine group, and also nitrogen is combined with the double bond with the carbon, and this is the structure of the Muroxide indicator. The molecular formula of the Muroxide is C8H4O6 and 5, and it is the ammonium salt of the perpuric acid. So ammonium salt is a negative charge, so it is, so Muroxide indicator behave as a negative ion and indicates the 4H plus ions can be ionized because they have a 4 amine groups. Therefore general formula of the Muroxide indicator is H4IN minus, and it is gives a different pH, gives a different colors, and this is the general reaction of a ionization process of Muroxide indicator. Now this indicator is more applicable for the tetravalent metal ions. Which type of metal ion is suitable for this indicator? So this indicator is more applicable for the tetravalent metal ions. Tetravalent metal ions means 4 H plus ions. Now when the pH range is 0, then this Muroxide indicator gives a red color with the metal ion. pH range 9 to 10, it gives a violet color with metal ion, and the pH range was above 11, this is the blue violet color of the solution of the Muroxide indicator in the solution. When the pH is above 18, and this indicator gives a red color with a Ca+2 ion, and this ion gives a different type of color with the different ion. So pH is above 18 with the calcium +2, it gives a red color, and orange color with the Cu+2, orange color with the Cu+2, and above solution titrated with the EDTA. This solution titrated with the EDTA. So pH is above 11, so this indicator gives a red color with the Ca+2, and orange color with the Cu+2 means copper +2 and calcium +2, and above solution is titrated with the EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Now the color of the solution changed from red or orange to blue violet. So the solution color change was red orange to the blue violet. So this is the general reaction of the Mur oxide indicator with calcium and copper plus 2. So CaH3ion plus EDTA complex and gives to a CaDTA. मतलब means calcium EDTA plus H3 ion minus 2. This is the solution color was blue violet. And finally CuH3 ion orange color solution with the EDTA titrated with the EDTA solution and form a copper EDTA complex and H3 ion minus 2 is our indicator, and the solution color was blue violet. So this is the general reaction of the calcium and copper plus 2 with the Mur oxide indicator. So first of all we will see the structure of the Mur oxide indicator, 5 carbonyl group and 4 amine group, and then molecular formula of the Mur oxide is C8H4O6 and 5. And Mur oxide is an ammonium salt of a sulfuric acid. It contains 4 amine groups and they behave as a negative ion, and it contains 4 H plus ions. So Mur oxide indicator of general formula is H4 ion minus, and it gives a pH, a different pH ionized and gives a different color at different pH, and this is the general ionization reaction process of the Mur oxide indicator. And it gives a different pH range to give a different color. pH is equal to 0, then solution color was red. pH is equal to 9 to 10, then solution color was violet. And pH is above 11, then solution color was blue violet. So this is pH is above 11, so indicator gives a red color with the calcium plus 2 and orange color with the copper plus 2. And this solution is titrated with the EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. And now the solution all color red orange from the blue violet, and the general reaction of the Mur oxide indicator with calcium plus 2 and copper plus 2. And finally color changes from red orange to the blue violet. So we will study about the Mur oxide indicator, and also we have study about the EBT, idiochrome black tea and chalcone. So friends, we have completed our third chapter of the physical chemistry and analytical chemistry subject 503. We have completed our third chapter, and friends, we have started a new chapter in a next lecture.